Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to change your Bitmoji gender on Snapchat. So open up your Snapchat, and then what you're going to do, you're going to see right here, this is your interface of the Snapchat. Click on your Bitmoji at the top left, or your avatar icon at the top left, and then click on the settings gear at the top right. And basically you're going to be able right here to see the settings, and you're going to see a Bitmoji. Click on it and basically go ahead, and as you can see right here, I don't have a Bitmoji yet, so I'm going to go ahead and click create an avatar. And as you can see right here, you can choose the gender that you want. But if you already have a Bitmoji, you remove your Bitmoji and then change the gender. So you can change the gender and just choose women, or choose female, sorry, and then you're gonna be able to change the hairstyle and the eyes and all that, and hit save at the top right. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.